Last time I cut my frame in half. This time we weld it back together to fit a 700cc 2-stroke race engine. A professional cleans up my welds. Hope you like my summary. Welcome to ABCD Videos. In the previous video I created the rear engine mounts and tag welded them into place. TIG welding is used for the proper welds. Ensuring a good penetration and strength.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same
Resulting
way.
in a strong
Gotta
engine
build up
mount.
my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the
I created the
highs and
front
lows,
frame
no,
plate.
you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay.
Please follow the build series on my channel.
Maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to
Creating a sturdy lower base.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Previously I explained the need for a front frame loop.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints.
I cut away the main frame tube and created the new frame loop. This is now being welded in place. To the main frame at the top. And to the base plate at the bottom. I am very pleased with the results. I wish I could weld like this. Great welding quality and penetration. Check my channel for more construction videos. Last time I built the lower mount and tagged them into place. This is the final result.
Freedom is priceless, spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah.
Also, the top mount is created. And again tagged into place. Before the professional finished it off. Here are all the mounts on the bike. Finally, I made a case saver to protect in case the chain breaks. Hope to see you in my next video. Holes are added for light weighting.